In today's video, we will see how we can create a dynamic and interactive calendar in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an yearly calendar which I have created in advance. Here we have got drop down for the years. I have created this drop down for few years only. In case you want to insert it manually, you can. Once we will change the year, all the things will be changed. Even the holidays will be highlighted. Highlight of holidays will be managed through the list which we will have to update every year. I have updated the holiday list for 2 years for 23 and 24. When I'll change the year, 24, holidays will be highlighted. When I'll do it 25, the highlights will vanish. As I told earlier, we will have to update the holidays list every year. Let's start creating a new calendar now. I'll open a new tab. I'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid and in center. We will start from B3, Monday, and we'll drag till Sunday. Here I'll insert first date of the month. For second date, we will insert plus or equal to. We will select the first date plus 1 and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this till Sunday and we'll drag till 9th row. We will click just under the first day plus or equal to. We will select this plus 1 and we will hit enter. Now I'll drag this till here. I'll select all. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll go in custom. We'll delete this and we'll type DD and we'll do OK. We will delete this. We'll select the days and we'll change the font. We'll select the dates and we'll change the font. We'll select the days and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font color of this also. We'll highlight the dates of Saturday and Sunday. We will select this and we'll create borders. We'll click on top of Monday. We'll go in data, data validation, list, and over here we will type name of the months. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. We will do OK and the drop down got created. We will click next to the month and we'll type year 2023. We will click next to the year and we'll insert our formula. And the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select the month and we will select the year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll click over here, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll go to date format and we'll select the desired format. OK. Now we will click over here just next to the first date and we'll insert our formula and the formula will be plus or equal to weekday, bracket open, we will select the date, we'll press function F4 and we'll lock the cells, comma, we have got various options over here. So our week is starting from Monday, so we will select the third number, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will come in our first date and we'll insert the formula and the formula will be plus or equal to first date minus weekday and we'll hit enter. So the first date of January is starting from Sunday. We will select this and we'll drag it down. So the dates of January are starting from here till here. We will take this in left side. We'll select this. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we will click over here just below Monday We'll press function F4 couple of times and the dollar will be removed. Is smaller than, we will select this date. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, we'll go to font and we'll select the color of font as white and we'll do OK. OK. So the dates which were visible before first got vanished. We'll leave this selected and we'll go to conditional formatting once again. New rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format and the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click over here just under Monday, we'll press function F4 couple of times and the dollars will be removed, is greater than EO month, bracket open, we will select this, means first date, comma 0, bracket close, we will click on the drop down, custom format, font and we will select white as our font color. We'll do OK, OK. Now only the proper dates are visible. We will do one thing, we will go over here and we'll remove the dollars from here and we'll hit enter. We will make this smaller, we'll select this and we'll adjust the column size. Now we will select this, we'll change the color and we'll change the font style. We will copy this, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. We'll make this smaller and we'll paste over here for March. Now we will select this, we'll double click the mouse and the columns will be adjusted. We'll make this smaller. Now we will select this, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. We'll paste over here also and we'll paste one more time. Now we have got calendar for 12 months. Now we will change the months. This will be Feb, March, April, May, June, July and we will change till December. So the months got changed. I'll make it bigger. Now we will do certain changes in conditional formatting. We'll select this. We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll click over here, edit rule. We'll take this down. Earlier the starting date was in D2. Over here it's in L2. So I'll change D2 and we'll do L2. OK. We'll edit the second criteria or condition, edit rule. Instead of D2, I'll do it L2. We'll do OK. OK. So calendar for February got created. I'll select this. Conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll click over here on the first rule, edit rule. Here the first date or starting date is in T. So instead of D, I'll do it T. OK. We'll edit the second condition or second rule. We'll make it T. OK. OK. So calendar for March is ready now. We'll do same thing for rest of the months. We'll select this, conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll select the first rule, edit rule. Here the starting date is in D11. So I'll do it D11 instead of D2. OK. We'll select this, edit rule. We'll do it D11. OK. OK. And we'll do same thing for rest of the months. So the calendar is ready till December. I'll make this smaller. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and over here we will insert the formula of today, plus or equal to, I'll come up, We'll click over here. In B4, we'll remove the dollars by pressing function F4 couple of times is equal to today bracket open bracket close. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and we'll select a desired color. We'll change the font color and we'll do OK. OK. So in the calendar, today's date will be highlighted. Now we will highlight our holidays. To highlight our holidays, we will need a holiday list. I'll take the holiday list from my example file. I'll paste the holiday list over here. We'll make this smaller. Now we will select this. We will go up. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and our formula will be plus or equal to match bracket open. We will click over here, means first date of the year. We'll press function F for couple of times and we'll remove dollar sign, comma. We will select this from top to bottom. In case you will update the holiday list, you will not have to change the formulas. Comma 0, bracket close. We will click over here on the drop down, custom format. We'll go to fill and we'll select a desired color. We'll change the font color and we'll do OK. OK. So all the holidays got highlighted. We will take this down. We'll select from here till here. We'll merge this. We'll put a color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be yearly calendar. We'll click over here and we'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. Now we will select from here till end. We'll merge it. We'll change the background color and font color. In case you want to create drop down for year, you can. Otherwise, you can insert manually also. I'll insert manually 2023. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. We'll click over here on the year just next to the month, plus or equal to. We'll select this and we'll hit enter. We will do the same thing for all the months. So all the things got changed. Now whenever we will change the year, the whole calendar will be updated. 5050. So the calendar for year 5050 got created. Holidays are not highlighted over here because we haven't updated our holiday list. I'll select this. We'll make it black. We'll select this from here till here. We'll make it black. You can put your desired colors over here. We will hide our holiday list. We'll put colors over here also. So our dynamic calendar is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then. Bye-bye.